Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Dory with the blog Wistful Life 5, where I share affordable ways to add vintage farmhouse charm to your home. Today is Memorial Day, kicking off the patriotic season with June 14th being Flag Day, and then of course Independence Day on the 4th of July. And so for the next 5 days, I'll be sharing a series of DIYs to help you get your home ready. But first, I want to take a moment and say thank you to every man and woman who has selflessly served our country. We recognize your sacrifice and we're so grateful to you, so thank you so much for your service. For day 1 of this red, white, and blue DIY series, I'll be sharing how to style a tiered tray. If you followed me for a while, you know that everything we do is on a budget. I purchased these little ceramic jars and this little blue candle, this little fern that kind of has this cute little shiplap look on the side, and these American flags in the dollar section at Target. It's one of my favorite places to shop. You can always find a great deal there, so check that out, especially seasonal items. You'll find some great items there. So that's where I got these. And then I also got this little sign from Hobby Lobby, Home Sweet Home, and this little cute little milk jug, also from Hobby Lobby. So total here, about $20 to style this tray. So not much, and you can get this look on a budget too. So just check those places out for some bargains for styling your tray. They always have perfect little sizes, it seems like, just for this kind of project. So for step 1, you're going to measure your tray. My tray here, I got this at Hobby Lobby, is a double tier tray, but there's triple tiers. You may have a different style, and so make sure you measure the space between your layers here so that you know how much room you have to work with when you go to the store to purchase your items. The first time I went to style my tray, I just kind of eyeballed it. I brought some items home. They were too tall for the space, this space was more narrow and I couldn't fit things on, and so it just didn't work. So you just need to know what you're working with as far as measurements. Step 2, you want to purchase items varying in size. You want some smaller, shorter items, some more medium-sized items, and then some taller items to add interest and add depth to your tray. So make sure you get some items that are varying in heights to accomplish this look. And then step 3, you are ready to style. So we're just going to kind of play around with this. We're gonna put taller items in the back for the height. So I'm going to start with this little Home Sweet Home sign, and I'm just going to put it there. And then we're going to go with, I'm going to do these little, these are stackable. They came in a set of 2, again from Target's dollar section. I'm going to put those here. Let's see here, we can put this little fern guy right here. Maybe try this blue candle. It's a little bit wide for that spot, so I'm going to move him down here, and I think I'm going to move this guy over here. I kind of want you to be able to see that shiplap. I'm going to turn that way, and we'll put the milk jug right here, and it's perfect for holding these little flags. So I'm going to put the flags in there. That. You can kind of play around with it, see. And there we are. So for less than $20, we have a beautifully styled patriotic tray ready for the season. So tomorrow I'll be sharing another DIY that you can do from home to get your space ready for the patriotic season. And so hit that subscribe button so you can follow along the next 5 days as I share these DIYs, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.